I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Easy Autofix here, and today we're gonna learn symptoms of a bad fuel filter. The purpose of the fuel filter is to prevent debris from getting into the fuel injectors. The location of the fuel filter will be inside the gas tank or on the fuel line between the fuel pump and the fuel injectors. A good rule of thumb is to replace it every 50 to 100,000 miles. Some newer cars state the fuel filter will last the life of the vehicle. The first symptom of a bad fuel filter is having your check engine light on. Now, since the fuel filter isn't electrical, it won't throw off a specific code for it. But you might get a P0171 indicating there's more air than fuel in the combustion process. A lean condition usually leads to misfires, so you might get this code as well. Now you can read these codes by going to the parts store near you, and they'll most likely do it for free. Or you can buy the scanner that I have that's worth it, linked in the description below. The second symptom is a crank but no start. You'll hear the starter turning, but it won't do anything since there isn't enough fuel to combust and keep the engine going. This only happens if the fuel filter is extremely clogged. The third symptom is a rough idle. While stationary with the car on, you'll feel the car vibrating. In order for a car to run its best, it needs to be at the perfect air/fuel ratio. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel from getting to the injectors at the time needed, disrupting this ratio. This is why your car has a rough idle. The fourth symptom is engine hesitation. You'll press down on the gas pedal to increase speed, but it stutters before it moves. The reason for this is due to the lack of fuel being able to keep up with the demand of air coming into the engine. When the gas pedal is pressed down, the throttle plate opens up to bring in more air, and when this happens, the ECM commands more fuel. The problem is that a clogged fuel filter restricts the flow of fuel. This delays the time it takes to transfer fuel from the tank into the injectors. The fifth symptom you could be experiencing is your engine stalling. Maybe you'll be driving uphill and it turns off, or you press the gas pedal all the way down to increase speed and it results in the same thing. The reason why it stalls out is because the air/fuel ratio is too lean. If the fuel filter is clogged, it's going to restrict the amount of fuel needed, resulting in a stalling engine. If you suspect a bad fuel filter, try using a fuel pressure gauge before replacing it. A clogged fuel filter will result in low fuel pressure. I'll leave the tool in the description below. Nice! We just learned symptoms of a bad fuel filter. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe so I can see you in the next video.